Silverton, here we go. That was bad, cut that up. Alright, Silverton, here we come. That's better. Hey ho, while you're editing this, you got a little something right there. What's going on, guys? All right, we are day 2, Lake City 2021. Today's gonna be an awesome day. Today we are taking Cinnamon Pass to Silverton, Colorado. This is something we've never done before, but it's something we've talked about doing for a very long time. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be such an adventure, and we're really happy to take y'all with us. We're looking at probably about a 3, at least probably closer to 4-hour ride one way, so it's gonna be an all-day ordeal. But yeah, it's
hi there.
Hold
on.
Hey,
hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
There's the man, the myth, and
the legend.
We don't normally ride on Sundays. Typically, we take the first full day that we're anywhere. We kind of just take the time to relax. You know, we just got off the road, walk around town, kind of get a feel for things, kind of figure out where we want to go ride. But since we've been here before, we already have a really good idea of what we want to do, and we were actually able to squeak out 2 really good rides yesterday. We covered 74 miles, which is awesome for the actual little amount of time we actually rode. Hit Engineer Pass last night, which was really cool. We'll probably eventually take that full pass all the way to Ouray later this week. We're just really looking forward to today. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I don't know if Harrison wants to add anything. He's just kind of—
he just looks ready. Are you ready over there? You're rocking the orange today. As usual. Dad had the Ranger do.
The Ranger did just fine. It did its job. So ready for the Razor. Ready for the Razor. Matt Navy's coming. You know, we've been saying for years, it's coming, it's coming. Well, it's coming, happen for a lot of stuff, but Matt Navy will finish it off, and it is in, and it's ready for pickup.
Tell them when it came in.
Came in the day before we were leaving to come up here. Yeah, I got a call. Hey, guess what? Your bike that's scheduled to come in the middle of July, it came in this morning. When you want to pick it up?
Dang.
I was like, well, I leave tomorrow to Colorado for 9 days, so I'll have to come and pick it up when we get back. So
that just means we have to do another trip. It's gonna be awesome.
A bunny.
A bunny? Oh, a puppy.
No, there is a bunny.
Oh, is they walking a bunny?
No, it ran on the freaking— oh, there it goes.
Oh.
Comes out here and rides. If you want to get to Silverton, it's very similar for Engineer Pass. But if you want to get to Silverton, you have to take what's called Cinnamon Pass. Now, it's narrow. You can get 2 cars by. Well, maybe not 2 cars, but a car and a bike, 2 bikes by. It will be a little tight, so you gotta let people pass when you need to, and you gotta be slow and be cautious and just be aware of who's coming and who's going. Like right there, we just had to separate so we could all let a car pass, otherwise, you know, there's no way we could get past. But I'm sure we'll get some front-facing views of of what we're driving on right now, and yeah, it's pretty narrow, and the drop's pretty dramatic. Like right here, it's very straight down for 200 feet. So anyone who comes out here and drives this, you gotta be cautious and just be aware of what's going on and who's on the road with you.
Alright, come on.
You're gonna miss.
If I can see it, it's gonna be hard to see. Oh my god.
No.
Oh, wait, you gotta do it again.
I almost
Don't
caught
go
it.
in the rocks. He's dead to me. I feel like the moment's gone.
Do it again.
Do it again?
Give you a second shot. I was trying to catch it. I'm gonna catch it if you don't.
Yeah, you should catch it.
That was right to.
Oh! Oh, right through my hands. Now he's gone.
Fail.
I caught it. It's so tiny, it's hard to see.
Who's getting in?
Zach already did.
Did he?
What, probably his head.
Nobody has flip flops on.
Girls make it in.
We're walking up here and Kyler goes, Dad, is there a warranty on the GoPro?
Wait,
Does my hair look good?
now we're leaving the bridge. We're gonna go back and make our way to Silverton again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's not how I talk.
yeah,
It's not how I talk.
yeah.
Looks like we're gonna have to leave Zach's bike here. It ain't gonna make it up this mountain with the problems of being in the mode. So he's gonna hop in a bike and ride with someone. It might be me. I don't know who, but yeah, his bike's gonna have to get left here. That sucks. I know what that's like.